And what's going on Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. It is actually mock-up day for this bad boy. I've been getting like really inspired to do it. This heat ain't been cooperating, so I'm up early. Came out to Pop's house last night. So it's actually pretty cool. I'm gonna jack the car up, follow these lines, take the bumper off. I want to start it up, but obviously I'm not gonna do the oil, I'm not gonna do the drain pipe. Things that I could do today, stuff that I gotta do before I get the car going and ready. I need to rewrap this downpipe. I saw TJ Hunt say best thing to do is wet it, then wrap it, let it dry. But before I do that, I gotta get a O2 sensor welded in and a wideband sensor welded in. And yeah, let's go ahead and follow this stuff out. Bryan's supposed to come out, help me out. I got my manifold right here. Boy, it's big. So get started in a little bit. It's kind of dragging. I mean, it is 6 in the morning on a Sunday. So we working on these fucking bolts, man. Gotta get this last one off. I broke it loose. Just trying to reach back there. But I mean, it is what it is. We Bryan just got here. Alright, so it's kinda hard to film and do shit at the same time. Me and Bryan talking about GCE versus GE. Got anything you wanna say on it? About how expensive they are?
This stuff like paying $6K anymore.
Yeah, they're going like dumb expensive. But anyway, yeah. So we got this loose, or I'm just popping these O2 sensors so that we can pull it out, do a couple bolts, put the turbo one in, and then sit the turbo and then kind of figure out the pipe. All right, so running into my first problem. Right now, we're realizing that the neck on my on the manifold, on this radiator hose, is hitting the manifold, and even if I forced it on, I wouldn't want them that close in proximity. So I'm looking at a different neck right here that goes maybe straight down, and I could just bend the silicone to get it to fit. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. This is why I'm glad I decided to do like a mock-up day. Pops was kind of laughing. But let's see. Hey, Bryan, can you hold the phone while I do it? So, things that come to my head are either I need to get a log manifold, or hopefully, ideally we change the neck right there, bend the silicone hose up. But let me show you. So I had to take the heat shield off to get it, to even get it in like this, but see, right here, hitting, and then if you come over here, turn it a little bit, it's not even close. Like back here, it'll fit, but it just won't swing down. So I guess that's where we stand right now. Ain't no point in following the intercooler piping if it's gonna have to change. I'm a little salty right now about this, but it's a cheap kit. You kinda gotta do shit to make it work. Yeah, so alright, yeah, so we're gonna end the episode here. Obviously, I'm disappointed because I wanted to mount it, just get it lined up, throw a couple bolts on there, and then kind of figure out the maze of the piping. Well, they don't say that you need to buy the aftermarket water neck. Maybe they did, but I missed it. But I mean, these are what mock-up days are for. As far as when the install is gonna happen, I love to sit here and tell you that I'm still gonna do it next month. But I decided it's better to overbuild than to have it be walking on eggshells. So I want to get a Mishimoto radiator. It's automatic right now, so I gotta get an external transmission cooler. I did find an oil cooler that I want to buy. So I mean, Bryan, thanks for the help. We're gonna put this back together in the episode here. Thanks for supporting me so far, man. If you guys are interested in a t-shirt, I do still have some more mediums and smalls than anything else. But 8-Bit Vision out.